The BioDance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask is one of those Korean skincare products that completely blew up on TikTok. But what makes this overnight collagen mask so popular? In this video, we're breaking down what the mask does, how to use it properly, and the key do's and don'ts so you can get the best results from your skincare routine. The BioDance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask is a hydrogel sheet mask designed to deeply hydrate the skin while helping improve the appearance of fine lines, skin texture, and just overall glow. Unlike a traditional sheet mask that you remove after 10-15 minutes, this one is designed to be worn for several hours or overnight so the skin has more time to absorb the nourishing ingredients. One of the most unique things about this mask is that it starts off white and gradually turns transparent as the product absorbs into your skin. The soft, jelly-like hydrogel texture also helps the mask adhere comfortably to your face while feeling cooling and soothing on the skin. It's going to help deeply hydrate and plump the skin, improve the skin's softness and smoothness, support a healthy looking glow, and help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The key ingredients include low molecular collagen, which is designed for better skin penetration to help improve the appearance of firmness and elasticity. Low molecular hyaluronic acid, which is going to help deeply hydrate the skin and maximize the moisture absorption. Adenosine, which is going to help smooth and firm the appearance of the skin, and galactomyces ferment filtrate, which helps support glow, hydration, and overall skin elasticity. One of the reasons people love this mask is because the glow and hydration can last for days after using it. The mask comes in a two-piece design, which helps it fit more comfortably across different face shapes. It's suitable for all skin types, including those who are acne prone. It's designed to deliver hydration without feeling heavy or greasy. Now, using this mask is simple. You want to ensure that you start with clean, dry skin after finishing your nighttime skincare routine. So you want to make sure you cleanse, go in with a double cleanse if you have any makeup or SPF on from the day. Then you want to make sure if you want to do an exfoliation, you want to add that in and then remove that. And then you want to apply the BioDance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask evenly onto your face. It's going to come in two sections, one for the upper half of the face and one for the lower half. Once applied, you want to leave the mask on for 3 to 4 hours or until it turns transparent. Most people choose the leave on overnight option because they don't want to be walking around the house for 3 to 4 hours with a mask on. Completely up to you, but you're going to get great results either way. As your skin absorbs the ingredients, the mask will become more transparent. You want to remove the mask once it has turned mostly transparent or when you wake up the next morning. And then you want to ensure that you gently pat in any remaining essence, and then you want to finish with a moisturizer. So if you do wake up the next morning, you don't want to cleanse that off. You would just put on moisturizer and SPF for the day. And then most people use this mask around once a week or when their skin needs that extra hydration or glow. So here are some do's and don'ts when using the mask in your routine. You do want to apply it after your nighttime skincare routine. You want to leave it on as long as possible to ensure that the ingredients absorb properly. You can store it in the fridge if you want an extra cooling and depuffing effect. And it is a great option to use before events when your skin really needs that extra hydration and glow. Don't apply any thick oils or occlusive products underneath the mask, otherwise the actual mask ingredients are not going to absorb into your skin. You don't want to expect permanent wrinkle reduction from one use. The plumping effect is mostly for hydration. You don't want to continue if you notice any redness, burning, or irritation. You want to take that off and rinse it off. And you also don't want to rush to remove it too early. It is a mask that is designed for longer wear. The BioDance Biocollagen Real Deep Mask is one of those viral skincare products that actually focuses on something most skin types need, which is hydration and barrier support. So if your skin has been feeling dull, dehydrated, tired, or you just love that freshly glass skin look, this could be a really great product to add into your skincare routine. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this mask and whether you think it's lived up to the TikTok hype. And if you want to learn more about Korean skincare, check out these videos here next.